Hey everyone, my name is Tamara Hanson, and I am taking you on this journey, this 30-day journey to build a strong meditation practice for you at home. And just to give you a background of who I am a certified meditation instructor. I am also a Reiki master. I also have a Bachelor of Arts majoring in psychology, and I help people to discover the love within themselves. So I also teach self-love courses. I also do one-on-one coaching for self-love to find that beautiful divine love within you. And also I teach one-on-one meditation courses. If you need just a little bit more deep dive into meditation, I can help you with that. Also, I have 2 online courses. One is the meditation course. It is pre-recorded and you have unlimited access to it. And also the other one is a self-love online course that is also pre-recorded and you have unlimited access to as well. And I will leave the link to that in the description box below, and you can check it out when we are done here. Now, this meditation journey, this 30 days, about 15 minutes per day, if you carve out the time to do these meditations, you will build yourself a strong foundation of meditation for your meditation practice. And this is so rewarding. Meditation is so rewarding because you are tapping into yourself, tapping into your heart, your intuition, to your divine self, listening to yourself, listening to your higher self, and building that strong relationship, that strong connection with that higher self, between you and your higher self, you and your divinity, you and God, whatever it is that you believe. So I thank you again for being on this journey, and let's begin. So I want you to get into a comfortable position where you won't be disturbed for, like I said, 10 or 15, 20 minutes. And try sitting up if you can, or if you need a little bit of support, you can use a chair or maybe a meditation chair that has a back to it. I am sitting on a meditation pillow, which kind of is nice for the hips. You can also lie down if you prefer, if that's better for you. Fine with lying down, you might fall asleep, but that's okay. So you'll still hear my voice in the background. So get comfortable, make sure you are warm or cold, whatever. Make sure just your body temperature is the right temperature for you. Just make sure that you're comfortable during this time. If you're lying down, you can use an eye pillow or an eye mask. Even if you're sitting up, you can do that. Put earplugs in, whatever it is that is going to help you on this journey. So get into a comfortable position. You can pause me if you need to, and we will begin. So close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhale. And take another deep breath in through the nose, and then exhale. And now just allow your breath to flow. Allow the inhales and the exhales to flow through your nose. And with every breath, just allow yourself to relax even more. There's nothing to think about, nothing to worry about. This is your time. And now, at the bottoms of your feet, picture a beautiful white light moving up through your feet, moving up through your ankles, and into your shins and your calves. And with every breath, this beautiful white light continues to move upwards into the knees, into the legs, the upper legs, the thighs, the backs of the thighs. Just allow this beautiful white light to nourish you and nurture you with every breath, moving upwards. Moving up into your pelvic area, your hips, relaxing your muscles, relaxing every cell of your body. Continue to breathe. Inhale, exhale, as you imagine this beautiful light moving into your lower back and your torso, and moving up into your chest and into your upper back and into your shoulders. With every breath, your muscles continue to relax. Your body and mind continue to relax. And this light is in your shoulders and your chest and moving down your arms, your lower arms, your wrists, hands and fingers. Continue to breathe. Now, this light moves into your throat and into the back of your neck. This beautiful healing light, nourishing you, nurturing you, moves into your head and into your face. Then out the top of your head. Allow this light to shower you in loving energy as you continue to breathe, still allowing your body, mind, emotions to relax, to let go, to surrender. Allowing that light to embrace you, healing you, nourishing you. Continue to visualize this light flowing in and around you, filling you up, nourishing you. Continue to breathe. Continue to feel that light surrounding you, expanding throughout you. This beautiful light is nourishing and healing. This nourishing light loves you. Continue breathing. Continue relaxing, continue to feel that light flow through you and around you. Continue to breathe. And stay in this moment. Just allow that light to wash over you, protecting you, healing you. Continue to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Keep your focus on your breath. Keep your focus on the light moving through you and outside of you. Remember, you are loved. You are lovable. You are love at the core. Now begin to bring your awareness back into the space, back into the room, back into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Begin to wake up your body by slowly moving it. And then rub your hands together. And then put them over your eyes. And when you are ready, open your eyes. And slowly remove your hands from your face. Well, thank you. Thank you for being here. Namaste.